Okay, so Eula's wearing noise-cancelling headphones right now. I'm going to say a couple of sentences in Zhongwen in English. She's got to guess what I'm saying. Stop poking around down there. You missed it twice.
What?
Stop.
Some kind of rat is down there. And you... To what?
Rude! Rude!
That's what you said.
Stop poking around down there. You missed it twice.
Somebody's down there and you sweat.
And you sweat.
Sweat?
Stop.
Stop.
Poking. Stop poking. Stop.
Stop mowing.
Stop poking. Poking.
Boking.
Poking.
Boging.
Poking. Stop poking around down there.
A rat down there. Stop poking a rat down there.
Stop poking around down there. Stop poking around
down there. Stop poking around
Stop
down
poking
there.
around down there. You missed it. You missed it twice. You missed it. You?
Can I say the word twat?
No, you can't, but you did.
Oh, it's not that word,
It's
is
not.
it?
It's not that.
Okay.
You missed it twice.
I only see that word.
Do you?
Something cheesecake.
Nothing to do with cheesecake. You
Stop
missed.
poking down.
Stop poking around down there.
Stop poking around there.
Down there.
Down there.
You missed it
You bitty.
twice.
Twat.
You missed. M.
Pa.
M.
Pa.
M.
Ma. Ma.
Missed.
Miss.
Missed.
Miss.
Missed. You
Mishy.
missed.
Miss Round.
Don't look at my hand.
Miss what?
You missed it. You
You
missed
miss
D.
it.
it. You missed it
You missed it.
twice.
Twat.
Twice.
Oh, twice.
Twice. 跑步会让你的奶头痛。跑步会让你的奶头痛。
保姆打你的奶头。
跑步。
保姆。
跑步。
保姆。猫猫。抱抱。
跑步会让你的奶头痛。
我的奶头。
对对对，有奶头。
我的奶头
痛。
痛。
跑步。
保姆。
跑步。
毛。
跑步会让。
猫木灰。
跑
猫木。
步。
猫。
跑
步。跑步。
会
跑步。
会
鬼。
会
会。
跑
跑
步
步
会让你
打我。打你。
让你
让你
的奶头痛。
让你的奶头痛。跑步会让你的奶头痛。我的哈士奇狗是一只超人。
我刚刚祝你香港人。
我的哈士奇狗。
我阿吉。
我的哈士奇狗
我阿吉走。
是一只超人。狗。
No。
狗。
有。
我的。That's it。我的哈士奇狗。
我的阿根廷 No。
哈士奇狗。
我的阿根廷 No。我不知道阿根廷 No 是什么。
超人。
超人。哦，
我的哈士奇狗，狗
有
个
个
狗
狗，
耶，哈士奇狗，
阿士奇狗是超人。我的阿士奇狗是超人。What?
husky 哈士奇狗。
Oh, that's why. That's not. I have no. That's not fair.
哈士奇，
奇哦，
奇很难。
哈
士
士气
奇
哦，哈士气。
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
我的哈士奇狗
Husky. I didn't know. Oh, dog.
是一只超人。
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
Husky. No, I didn't know that word.
yeah.
Ha士气. I thought you were saying Argentina.
Argentino.
Yeah.